Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Vipul and you are watching Digital Vipul. In this video we will talk about how to create a WordPress website. This is the third video of this series. In the first two videos I have discussed how to buy a domain name and a hosting plan, and the second video I have already discussed that how to install WordPress on your website. And in this video I will discuss that how do you log into your WordPress and how do you make the settings which are required for your website and do a little bit of website creation. Okay, so let's start this video. So if you have not watched the first and the second video, so I will give you the link in the description. Go to those videos, see out them, and then come back to this video. So we have buy the domain with digitalvipul.com. Okay, so when we click on this, now you can see the website is ready to be shown on the internet. Okay, so in the last video you can see that website was not ready because it takes certain amount of time, like 2 hours, 24 hours to get your website ready for the internet. So now you can see the website is ready. So we have installed the WordPress on this. So what you have to do, you have to type your website name and /wp-admin. Then you have to put your username, then you have to put your password, and then you have to click on login. So here you got the dashboard of your website. Click on this link and you can see there's the option of visit site. When you click on this, you will visit your site, and on the top bar you can see there are certain options that are only visible to you because you are logging as an admin. It will not be visible to anybody else. So let's come back to the dashboard. Okay, now what we are gonna do, we will go to users and we will go to your profile, and then we will go to generate password, and I will hide it and change the password. And then click on update profile. Once you're done with that, now we will go to plugins. Okay, and then click on install plugins. Okay, so what are basically plugins? Plugins add functionality to the WordPress and they help us to create better websites. Basically WordPress doesn't come up with everything, so they are developers who develop the things for WordPress. So like we want form on our website, we want image optimization, we want certain things on our website. So for that we have to install certain kind of plugins because they add more functionality to the WordPress. Okay, so we want to start from a clean slate, so we will delete all these plugins which come by default. Okay, so what you have to do for that, you have to click on this box and click on deactivate apply, and then click on this box and click on delete and click on apply. So in this way you can delete all the plugins that comes by default on your website. Okay, also you should not install much more plugins on your website because it makes the website heavy and your website can get slow. Okay, so now what we are gonna do, we have deleted the plugins. Now we will change the permalinks option. Okay, so what is basically a permalinks? When you visit your website, okay, and when you click on this, like when you go on your website and when you click on this hello world, you can see digitalvipul.com/hello world/03/0/27/. Okay, so when you visit a professional website you will not see like that. Okay, for example, if you visit to like apple.com and you click on about, so you will go to apple.com/about. So we will make this change for our website. So how we can do that, you have to go to the dashboard Okay, then you have to go to settings, then go to permalinks. Okay, and then you have to click on post name. Okay, and then click on save changes. Now let's visit our website again and click on hello world. Okay, now you can see your website name.com/hello world. Okay, so let's come back to the dashboard. So now what we're gonna do, we will check whether our WordPress is updated or not. So click on update, and you can see that you have the latest version of WordPress, so we don't need to install a further update on this. Now we will add a theme to our website. So for that you have to go on appearance, click on themes. Okay, so there are thousands of themes which you can see over here. Okay, like this. So whatever the theme you like, you can select one. I will select WP Ocean. You have to click on install. Okay, because this tutorial is based on Ocean WP. If you install some other theme, okay, then you have to make certain changes by yourself. Okay, we will click on activate. Okay, so it is saying that for this theme recommends the following plugin. So it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so you can see that this plugin is successfully installed. Okay, so after you have installed the necessary plugin and you selected your theme, now what we're gonna do, we are gonna delete some pages. So by default it might be showing certain pages, so what we'll do is select them and we will click on move to trash, then click on apply, because we want to start from the clean slate, so we don't want these kind of pages. So we will start them, select them again, and we will click on delete permanently, then apply. So these pages are deleted. Then we can check the post. Okay, so we will want to delete these posts also. So basically the difference between pages and posts are like, pages are like about pages, service pages, contact page, and posts are basically blog post. When you are doing blogging, you are posting something that basically comes under post. Okay, so we will click on trash now, select that, and we will delete permanently and apply. Okay, so we have deleted all the posts and we have deleted all the pages to start on a clean slate. Okay, now what we're gonna do, okay, now we will go to our website. Okay, and we will edit the website title and the description. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to click on custom. So you go on site identity. Okay, and then there's a site title. So what you have to do, you can put like digital purple, the site title, and your tagline. Okay, so in this way you can edit your site title and site tagline, and then you can click on publish. You can come back, process, and here we go. So till now we have discussed how you make all the settings in the WordPress. So in the next video we will discuss how to create your website, okay, starting from the scratch and to up to the end. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, share it with maximum number of people, and if you are watching this channel for the first time, do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, so you get, so that you can get all the notifications of my next videos, And if you face any issue till now for all the step-by-step process that I shared, kindly let me know in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much and bye bye.